So here's the dreaded low salt indicator that happens on these salt generators from INTEX. But don't buy a new one just yet, and don't throw this thing away. I'll show you how to fix it for free. To get by this, sometimes you can shut the power off. Take the titanium electrode connector that gives it power. Just reverse the polarity. Sometimes that'll work and get you by just for a little bit until you can get the new part in. But these electrodes in here is what actually goes bad. So this will work temporarily, but eventually you're just have to get that new part. It's gonna, after a few hours, it'll start showing that low salt indicator again. And you can see here, it did kick on, and it's gonna work for just a little bit, and then it'll go right back to a low salt indicator. So call INTEX directly. We bought this on Amazon, but it's still covered under the warranty. This is the titanium electrode that goes bad. They send it in the box. It is $138.72. We didn't have to pay any of that because of the warranty. So to replace this, we're just going to turn the power off, and of course shut off our pump. We're going to make sure the power is off here, and we got to close our valve so no water comes in. You just need to unscrew this here. You're gonna get all your water to come out. You're gonna let that drain out and finish taking this off. This piece will slide out. Get this up out of the way. I'm just gonna unplug this here. All right, so the new one will just slide right in. Very simple. That's screwed in. Just plug it back in, and that should fix our problem. Let's open our valves back up. Turn our power back on. Turn our power back on the salt generator. All right, after about 60 seconds, it looks like it's working currently, and we'll come back and check it, make sure that we don't get another low salt warning. Yep, just came back to check on it, and it looks like we are good. So before you throw this thing away or get a new one, make sure you check your warranty. I believe it's 1 year, and get that titanium electrode replaced. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.